If I could go back to when I was 18, oh man, I'd skip so many dumb money decisions. No more wasted cash on stuff I didn't need. No more being broke by the end of the month. So today I'm sharing exactly what I'd do with my money if I were 18 again. Yeah, so you don't have to learn the hard way. I know what it's like. No real income yet. Living off allowance, part time jobs, maybe some help from family, everyone flashing stuff on social media. But here's what I wish I knew. Let's go. First thing, build a mini emergency fund. I'd aim for 500 lira, $50, whatever fits your life. Because something will come up, a broken phone, a medical bill, something. And credit cards or loans, not your first option. Even if you save just 10 bucks a week, you can get there. Back then, I thought if I earned it, I could spend it all. Nope. If I were 18 again, I'd live on at most 70% of my income. The other 30%, I'd split between savings, investing, and fun money. It builds the habit now so you're not stuck later. Instagram doesn't pay your rent, neither does TikTok. If I could tell 18-year-old me one thing, no one cares what shoes you wear or what phone you have. I'd stop buying stuff just to look good. Because real wealth is quiet, broke is loud. The earlier you start earning, the faster you learn how to manage money. If I were 18, I'd do something simple: tutoring, freelance work, selling notes, pet sitting. You learn, you earn, and you don't depend fully on family. At 18, I didn't even know what a stock was. If I could redo it, I'd start learning small. What's an index fund? What's compound interest? And I'd start with tiny amounts. Because time is your biggest money cheat code. I didn't track my spending at 18, so I had no idea where my money went. If I could go back, I'd use a free app, Notion, or just a notebook, and log every cent. When you see where your money goes, you can change it. Biggest regret? Waiting to have more money to start managing it. There's never a perfect time. Start with your first paycheck, your first allowance. Small steps beat no steps. Every time. So here's what I'd do if I were 18 again. 1. Build a mini emergency fund. 2. Live on 70% of my income. 3. Ignore the flex. 4. Get a side hustle. 5. Learn investing basics. 6. Track all spending. 7. Just start, no excuses. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more simple student finance tips. You've got this.